Hi, I'm Ross Jennings, the Senior Director of International Education at Green River College. Many students all over the world would like to get into a top U.S. university. My online class can help you do that. I myself have graduated from 3 of those universities. University of California, Santa Barbara, ranked number 41 in the world, University of Washington, ranked number 10 in the world, and Stanford University, ranked number 3 in the world. I've helped thousands of international students get into top U.S. universities.
Hi Gators! My name is Claudia.
My name is Alicia.
Hello, my name is June.
Hi, I am Aina.
My name is Ryu.
I'm gonna transfer to UC Berkeley.
UC San Diego.
And I got accepted to Columbia University, UCLA, and UC San Diego.
I got accepted into the Johns Hopkins University, University of Minnesota Twin Cities, University of Wisconsin-Madison, and University of Maryland College Park.
I'll be transferring to University of British Columbia.
I can help you too. Register for my online class now and let's get started. See you soon.